And why don't you speak a little bit to some of our vendors and if people who should be doing business or contacting and working with you guys?
I mean, there's so many advances in technology. It seems like you get a new vendor every day. But I think this goes back to the power of the group, right? Is we try to get a sense of where the majority of folks need help. And then we can say, okay, let's go find a solution for that. And going back to the scale part of it is we can hopefully go negotiate some preferred terms, which helps you reinvest back in your agency with your money, which helps your customers, which helps everybody, helps the community. And but it's really just trying to find things like what I always look at it this way. I don't want to help you replace people. I want to help you make your people more efficient.
Yes,
And
make them better.
help Andy, account manager, or Sally, CSR, help them do their job better and more effectively so they can spend more time doing what they're good at and what they enjoy doing. And I think, to me, that's the secrets of vendors. And I don't want to make this an open call because I'll get about 45 emails in 60 seconds after somebody hears this. Is if you have a product that can help enhance the workflow and experience the experience of a customer or the experience of an agency, yeah, you should talk to us, because it may or not be the right one for us, but we want to listen and find out what it is. Because with the advent of technology, I mean, there's so many non-revenue generating tasks that AI is going to be able to help you do. And I think
I'm hoping it can take some of the grind away. That's what I think our account managers struggle with. It's just a lot of the work they do is really hard, just grunt work, grind work that just wears them out. And I really wish we could find tools that would make their lives easier in that way, because they could be a lot better at what they're doing if they didn't have to do that crap.
Right, you should get your people computers. It makes it a whole lot easier.
No.
Invest in your team.
With that big Chief tablet, number 2 pencil, the bigger round ones, that's what you want, baby.
Yeah, you and your new fax
It's harder
machines.
to have a cyber breach if you don't have technology.
That's
Even
true.
send
If
you're
paper
not
files,
connected to
there's
the
no
internet.
cyber threat.
Well, that's true. And I think that's the kind of philosophy of all the partners is, you're not looking at we're not trying to turn our agencies into one person with all this technology behind. We're trying to enhance to where we have our people being able to serve our customers faster, more personable, timely. And so any tool that comes in and helps you take the time from doing those arduous things and puts you in front of helping people, which I think is really what everybody's interested in, not having the robot talk to people. If you want that crap's available already. You can go to 1-800-waste your time. That's fine. That's already there. You don't need to model that. You should sell your agency to one of those things. But most of them who've built something want something to last, and you guys are helping us find these tools that alleviate some of these pressures from us to where we can do what we know we're really good at, and that's taking care of customers.
Well, I mean,
in the worlds of risk management.
Just think about this. If you have an awesome person on your team, whether it be account manager, CSR, whatever you do, and they're uncomfortable communicating, especially through email. Now you can go into whatever AI platform you subscribe to and say, hey, type me an email that explains a rate increase because they had an auto loss with a youthful driver, and give an example. And it does it for them.
Yeah.
And again, you still need the person to communicate it, but it makes it more effective, more efficient. And I think, not to get off on too much of a soapbox, but everybody who thinks, AI bots are going to take over the insurance agency, I don't see it. I think if anything, it's going to maybe create more opportunities, because again, you're going to get rid of, like you said, the arduous stuff and get to do the important stuff. One other plug I'd say on the vendor thing that's CAA specific is our model compared to some other folks is we go vet vendors and try to negotiate a preferred subscription plan for our members, but then it's up to you what you want to do. We don't say, hey, we're buying this and everybody has to use it and you're all going to pay
No,
X
never do that.
But it's, again, we want to give you guys choices.